Here I have GIGASET GS160 and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following device. So basically how to accomplish the soft reset operation. It's very useful when your device hangs or just stacks, so then it's worth to force the restart. So all you have to do right now is go to your back panel right here, find the cavity at the left down edge of the screen right here. Let's use your nail finger to open the whole thing. Let's do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Now let's start from the back of the phone, and now let's open the rest of the device. Let's try to do it softly, and now you have access to your battery. You can remove the battery by using a down edge of the battery and the following cavity. Let's also use your nail finger and let's remove the battery. So that's it. As you can see, just remove the battery. Here you can read, for example, the email number, serial number and the barcodes. And let's just remove your battery for about 5 to 10 seconds just to reset your device, then put back the battery in exactly the same way. So let me do it again. You have to make sure that it suits to your device. Let's just put your battery that way and close the whole thing. Close the back cover protection. Alright, now you can press the power key to switch on the device and the GIGASET is turning on. As you can see, you have to wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, everything went well. Now you may unlock your phone and use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.